CNN, an Iranian PhD student who'd planned to continue his studies at Michigan State University, was detained by Customs and Border Protection at Detroit Metro Airport and is being sent back to Iran, his attorney told CNN on Monday.
Alireza Yazdani, 27, was on a flight leaving Detroit on Monday, a day after he was detained and questioned by authorities, his attorney Bradley Mays said.
Yazdani's removal comes a week after another Iranian who'd arrived with a student visa was detained and denied entry into the U.S. at Boston's Logan International Airport.
Immigrant rights advocates have said their concerned students are being targeted as tensions mount between the United States and Iran. The American Civil Liberties Union of Massachusetts said last week that at least 10 students had been sent back to Iran upon arriving to U.S. airports since August, with 7 of them having flown into the Boston airport.
Yazdani flew into Detroit Sunday, eager to continue his studies in an agricultural sciences doctoral program at Michigan State, Mays said. He was admitted to the program in September, Mays said, and the U.S. government issued him a student visa earlier this month.
Read more.
In a statement, Customs and Border Protection said Yazdani was deemed inadmissible after applying for entry into the United States on Sunday, but did not specify why.
On January 26, Alireza Yazdani Esfidajani applied for entry into the United States, and was later deemed inadmissible, at which time he withdrew his application for admission into the United States, CBP said. The traveler was not arrested, rather held until a return flight could be arranged to his place of departure.
Yazdani told his attorneys he eventually gave up after facing more than 6 hours of questioning. Mays described CBP's reasons for denying his client's entry as spurious, but said the aggressive questioning left Yazdani feeling he had no choice.
A spokeswoman for Michigan State said Monday evening that the university had been working for the past 24 hours with federal agencies, members of the Michigan congressional delegation and the student's lawyer to help through this difficult situation.
We want international students to know we value and welcome them to our campus, and we are committed to global engagement, educating international students and collaborating with partners across the world in higher education efforts. MSU's international students make tremendous contributions to fueling discoveries and scholarship, spokeswoman Emily Jerkin-Garant said in a statement. Global leadership can only be maintained if talented people from across the globe are encouraged to come here to study and work.
A Northeastern University student from Iran was removed from the U.S. despite an emergency stay. CBP says it was not aware of the judge's order.
Last week, Northeastern University student Mohammad Shahab Dagani Hossain's case in Boston drew widespread attention and criticism from immigrant rights advocates after he was removed from the United States despite a federal judge's order barring his removal.
Every day about 790 travelers are refused entry to the United States out of more than 1 million travelers processed at ports of entry, CBP said. Being issued a visa doesn't guarantee entry into the United States, the agency said.
Applicants must demonstrate they are admissible into the U.S. by overcoming all grounds of inadmissibility, including health-related grounds, criminality, security reasons, public charge, labor certification, illegal entrance and immigration violations, documentation requirements and miscellaneous grounds, CBP said.